good day. So for the Gantt chart, it's non-preemptive shortest job first. So for the Gantt chart is, the first process would be P4. As you can see, the process of P4 is the most lowest in burst time. Next is process 6. As you can see, the burst time for process 6 and process 7 is the same. So you should compare it to the priority. The priority for P6 is 5 and P7 is 7. So you should choose the most shortest priority. So the P6 is the shortest. Add on to the second process. So the next process would be P7. So P7's burst time is 5. As you can see, you just have to add in to the 4 to make it the arrival time for P7 is 9. So the next process would be P3. As you can refer to the table, P3's burst time is 7. So P2 and P3 have the same burst time. As you can see, like just now, we should compare the priority. The priority for P2 is 2 and P3 is 1. So we should choose the shortest. What's the smallest? It is 1. So plus 5 is equals to 14. So the arrival time for P3, it would be 14. So the next is P2. As you can refer to the table, it has the same burst time but 7. That is P3's burst time. So it would be 21. So the next process is P1. As you can refer to the table, that is the least from the largest, that is 9, and the least is 8. As you can see, for the P1's arrival time, you just have to add in 7. That is P2's burst time. So 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. So the next process would be P5 because it has the most largest number, that is 9 burst time. And for the arrival time of P5, you should just add in. So 28 plus 8 is equals to 36. Waiting time. So for the process P1, it would be 28. As you can see, the arrival time in the Gantt chart is 28 and the table is 7. So all you need to do is minus the largest with the smallest. So as you can see, 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. So every process uses the same method. 21 minus 4 is equal to 17, 14 minus 2 equals to 12, 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, 36 minus 2 equals to 34, 4 minus 1 equals to 3, 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So as you can see, for the last part, it's the average. So the average time, it would be plus all the waiting time divided by 7 processes. So altogether, when you total it, it will be 89. So divided by 7 processes, the total answer would be 12.71 milliseconds. Process, the arrival time would be 0, and the second P4 process would be 1. So as you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3. So the first process 3, the arrival time would be 2, and the second would be 4, and third would be 7. As you can see, the next process is P2. So the P2 arrival time is 9, P1's arrival time is 16, P4 arrival time is 24, P6 arrival time is 26, P5 arrival time is 31, and P7 arrival time is 40. As you can see, the waiting time for P1 is 16 minus 7. As you can see, P1 16 and the arrival time here is 7. So as you can see, minus the highest to the lowest. So the answer is number 9. So as you can see, P2 9 minus 4 5, P3 2 minus 2 0, P4 0 minus 0 plus 24 minus 2. As you can see, there's 2 P4s, number 1 and number 2. So the number 1 equation would be this one, 0 minus 0 plus 24 minus 2, this one. So the answer is 22. P5 31 minus 2 29, P6 26 minus 1 25, P7 40 minus 7 33. As you can see, you take all these answers and you make it to a sum, so that you can total this thing up and divide by 7 different processes. So the total for this would be 123 divided by 7. So the last answer would be 17.57 milliseconds. As you can see, this is the third and last one, round robin. So the quantum is 3. So usually when you use the quantum, it would be it shouldn't be more than 3 and it would be lesser than 3. So lesser than 3 includes 0, 1, 2 and also 3. So as you can see, P4, 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So the arrival time for P6 would be 3. P3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So the arrival time for P3 would be 6. P5, 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So the arrival time for P5 would be 9. So for P4, 9 plus 3, 12. So this one is much more different. You just have to plus 1 to make it the arrival time 13 for P2. So plus 3, 16, P6. Plus 2, 18, P7. Plus 3, 21, P1. Plus 3, 24, P3. Plus 3, P5, 27. Plus 3, 30, P2. Plus 3, 33, P7. Plus 2, P1, 35. Plus 3, 38, P3. Plus 1, P5, 39. P2, P1, 43. As you can see, you just have to plus 1 and plus 3 to make it 45. Done. So the next one would be waiting time. So as you can see, there's a lot of arrival times here and you can compare P1 to here. As you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3 P1s. As you can see, you can refer to the numbers. As I said just now, the largest one minus the smallest one. So 21 minus 7, 35 minus 24, 43 minus 38 equals to 30. P2, 13 minus 4, 30 minus 16, 40 minus 33. All the total, 32. 6 minus 12, 24 minus 9, 38 minus 27. All the total, 30. 0 minus 0, 12 minus 3 equals to 9. 9 minus 2, 27 minus 12, 39 minus 30. All the total, 31. 3 minus 1, 16 minus 6. All the total, 12. 18 minus 7, 33 minus 21. All the total, 23. So as you can see, take all these totals and make it as the average time. So there are 7 processes as you can see. The great total for this would be 167 and divided by 7 different processes. So the last answer would be 23.86 ms. Thank you.